Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn our fourth chapter of class 5, that is parts and wholes. To starting this chapter I am going to tell you an interesting story of four friends. So there were four friends. The names were Raj, Hiya, Sia and Neha. One day they were talking and sitting together. At that time Raj said, I am feeling very hungry. Okay, so they all decided to order a pizza. Okay, so when they got the pizza, you can see the pizza looks like this. Okay, so in this pizza there are some equal parts. Now I am going to count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in that pizza there were 8 equal parts. Okay, so there were 8 equal slices of the pizza. But Raj was very hungry, so Raj ate, out of 8 equal parts, Raj ate 3 slices. Raj ate 3 slices of the pizza. So out of 8 slices, Raj ate 3 slices. Then Sia ate 2 slices of the pizza. Okay, so out of 8 slices, Raj ate 3 slices. So the fraction for the Raj is 3/8. Okay, 3/8. In this fraction you can see these two numbers are here, 3 and 8. So 8 is the total number of the parts, total number of the slices. So the total number of the slices were 8. And out of 8 slices, Raj ate 3 slices. So the fraction for the Raj is 3/8. So Raj ate 3/8 part of the pizza. Now for Sia we are going to see. Sia ate 2 slices. Okay, so the 8 slices were equal in the size. Okay, so out of 8 equal size slices, Sia ate 2 slices. So the fraction for Sia's part is 2/8, because the total parts were 8, and out of 8 equal parts Sia ate 2 equal slices. So the fraction for Sia is 2/8. Okay, now out of 8 slices, Raj ate 5 slices and Sia ate 2 slices. So 5 slices they ate, but 3 slices are left with them. So out of 3 slices, 1 slice was eaten by Neha. So the fraction part of Neha is 1/8. The slices which Neha ate is 1/8. Then 2 slices are left with Hiya. So Hiya ate 2 slices out of 8 slices. So the fraction for Hiya was 2/8. Okay, so 2/8 is the fraction for the Hiya. Now in this story we learned 2 things for the fraction. So the first thing is whole part. Whole part is called the total part. So in this pizza there were 8 equal parts. So the 8 is called the whole number. Whole number is 8. But out of 8 equal parts, Raj ate 3 parts. So fraction for Raj was 3/8. And out of 8 equal parts, Sia ate 2 parts. So the fraction for Sia was 2/8. So the fraction is 3/8, and for Sia the fraction is 2/8. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to learn the different things related to the fraction. So first of all, we all know about the fraction. For that I am going to do the paper folding activity. So I am going to take a paper. Here you can see a rectangular shape. Okay, first of all we have to fold it into half. So I am going to fold it into half. Now you can see, after folding this paper, we are getting two equal parts. So out of two equal parts, each part is called half part. This is a half part and this is also a half part. So it is called, so these two equal parts. So denominator is 2 and the numerator is 1. So you can see here, I am going to write the number. Out of two equal parts, each part is called half part, and half is written as 1 by 2. Now you can see here, total two equal parts are here. Okay, 1, 2. So the whole number is 2 and the part number is 1. It is fractional number. So this part is called 1 by 2 part. So 1 by 2 is called half part. Okay. So this is a half part of the sheet and this is also a half part of the sheet. Now in this you can see, here you can see two numbers are here, 1 and 2. So 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. So in the fraction we got two numbers. The first number we can see above the line, it is called numerator, and the second number under the line we can see it is called denominator. Okay, so denominator is a whole part and the numerator is the fractional part. Now these are the two equal parts of this sheet. Now I am going to again fold it into half. So I am going to again fold it. I am folding it. You can see this is the rectangle. Again we get a rectangle, and how many equal parts we got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts here I am getting. So out of 4 equal parts, each part is called 1 by 4 part. So I am going to write here 1 by 4. Here you can see again two numbers are here in this fraction. I am going to draw the lines. You can see the edges. Okay, you can see the edges in this rectangle. So this is called 1 by 4 part. This is called again 1 by 4 part. So 1 is the fractional part and 4 is the whole part. So total 4 parts, 4 equal parts. Each part is called 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 is also called a quarter part. Now I have an interesting activity. You can see here I have taken a glass. There are some sketch pens in the glass. You can see I am going to count the sketch pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I have 12 sketch pens in my hand, and if I want to divide it into two equal parts. For that I am going to put it in the two glasses and share it equally in the glasses. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you can see here the 12 sketch pens are in the two glasses. In each glass here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sketch pens in the first glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sketch pens in the second glass. So out of 12 sketch pens, I arrange the half sketch pens in the first glass and half sketch pen in the second glass. So in each glass we can see 6 by 12 sketch pens here. Out of 12 sketch pens, 6 sketch pens I put in one glass and 6 sketch pens I put in second glass. So fraction for each of the glass is 6 by 12. Okay. Now next, then I am going to tell you how to arrange the 12 sketch pens in 3 equal parts. So Again I am taking this sketch pens in my hand and put it equally, sharing them equally in the glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here you can see these are 3 glasses in front of you, and in each glass you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sketch pens in each glass you can see. So in 3 sketch pens I have arranged equally the 12 sketch pens. So in each glass you can see 4 sketch pens. So the fraction is for this is, out of 12 sketch pens, in each glass there are 4 sketch pens. So the fraction is 4 by 12. 12 is the whole part and 4 is the fractional part. Okay, so the fraction for this is 4 by 12. Now I am going to take some other things. I have color pencils here. You can see I have color pencils here. Now I am going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So I have 10 color pencils in my hand, and I am going to arrange these 12 pencils in 2 equal parts. Okay. So I am putting them equally in the glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So in each glass you can see how many sketch pens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sketch pens are in the first glass, and in the second glass 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sketch pens. Again in the second glass you can see 5 sketch pens. So for each glass we can write total sketch pens, total color pencils are 10. So out of 10 color pencils, 5 color pencils I put in the each glass. So the fraction for each glass is 5 by 10. So in one glass I have arranged 5 by 10 pencils. In the second glass I have arranged 5 by 10 pencils. Okay. Now in our chapter number 4 we are given some practice time, and in the practice time questions, one question is asking us to divide the rectangle into equal parts. Okay. So first of all I am going to show you a rectangle. Here you can see a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I divide this rectangle into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the whole part of this figure. So the 4 is the total part. Now you can see, so each part is called, each part is called 1 by 4. 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So there are 4 times 1 by 4 makes the whole rectangle. Now in the other way I have divided this rectangle into 4 equal parts. So in this picture you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 equal parts of one rectangle. So each part is called 1 by 4. Okay. Again in this picture you can see the standing lines are here, and I divide this rectangle into 4 equal parts. So the first part is called 1 by 4. The next part is also called 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So these 4 parts are equally divided in this rectangle. Now in your book the question was asking like this, that you have to divide the rectangle or cut the rectangle into 6 equal parts. Okay. So in this rectangle you can see a very beautiful giraffe I have drawn here, and 6 equal parts I have made in this rectangle. So out of 6 equal parts, each part is called 1 by 6 because the total number of parts 6 and each part is 1 part. So 1 by 6, 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 1 by 6. So like this we can we can divide the rectangles into so many ways in equal parts. Okay. Now I am going to tell you the fraction chapter is very easy for all of us. In the next session, we will discuss the types of the fractions. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.